Today we're going to be working a new quote for a new customer called ARIF. He's quite away from Toronto. ARIF. So we create a new folder, 181288. New folder in estimates, 181288. ARIF. Control V. And this is basically the measurements of his bar, which I put on a side screen for me to have as a reference. And here we are. We're going to start the new drawing. We have the measurements. We have the 2020. So we start with the continuous wall. It's always from left to right if you want to do the internal measurements. So the first wall is 6 foot 10. 6 times 12 is 72 plus 10 is 82. So we can make it longer. Let's say 160. Enter. Right click. Edit. And this way add 100 inches. Wall 2. This one is on the 45 and off it goes. Enter, enter. So here's the basic layout. There's a door to the bathroom that goes on this wall, and it's 6 foot 10. Opening inside. Done. So again, 6 foot 10, 6 times 12, 72. So 82 from the wall. Drag, and we look at the details on the right. So we go to the 0, and it's 6 foot 10 is 70, 72, so 82. Enter. Okay, so we have 82. That's done. And the other structural thing we have is a post right in the middle. 4 foot 8 from this wall, 3 foot 2 from this wall. So what I usually do, room height is 6 foot 8. So properties, again, 6 foot 8 is 6 times 12 plus 8 is 80 inches. Okay. So right click, properties, wall group, and that's 80. Apply. So that changes. If you click on each wall individually, that changes the wall. If you click on a group, apply, okay. So we have, now we start with the bases, and we went over all the drawings with this customer, so he already knows what kind of design he's getting. Flat panel, we'll do the profile edge, select, not selected, beach, okay. So this is just again for rough estimation. Delete. Actually, we're gonna do a corner cabinet that's 36 by 36, 90 full door, 36, right? Click, okay. And what I recommended is to put one side to do shallower cabinets. So panel, view, we can look at this. Right now the computer is overloaded, so it's not showing. Oh, actually, there you go. So the post is going to be 6 by 6 by 80 inches tall. We put it here. Now we can do a basic base panel without decay. It doesn't really matter. This is just to position the post. So 48 plus 8 is 56. 56, enter. So roughly 56 minus 3 is 53. Attributes, 53. So it's 53 inches from this wall. And now we right click, duplicate. 36 plus 2, 38 minus 3 is 29. Again, very short distance to the post. 29, and we put this here. And this here. So we can move the corner cabinet away, move this, move that. So that's our corner of the post. We can zoom in and off we go. So we have a post right here. Now we can move this panel away. So that's a base panel. Right click, move, done. Let's do it here. So right click on the corner cabinet, and one of the sides, shift, is going to be 19. So if we do this, it's doing both, so 24. So this side is 24, this side we want to have 19. So we go to variables, dimensions, and the depth here to, no, the other one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. Move, and just click here. So we have our cabinets here. And now we can put an appliance. So I recommend it to go with the top cooktop, 3 drawers, deep drawers, 24, base, bam. And so it's base, full door, actually base, 3 drawers, deep drawers, 12, and done. Again, right click, attributes, and this is 18. Right click, attributes, and again 18. Base, full door, standard. Let's pick a 24-inch cabinet. There you go. Right click, 18, 4 inches, 1, 2, so we go 26. Again, later we're gonna figure out all the fillers and how it, right now we're just doing an estimate drawing, so our goal is to make something interesting and not spend too much time doing it. So base, door drawer, standard, 33-inch sink cabinet, and that's done. And then we have a base, door drawer, standard, left. Let's do a 12-inch garbage pullout if they do decide to go that way. Right click, attributes, add-ons, room, plumbing. We're looking for a sink, and this is usually a first one that I pick. No, they actually wanted a double sink, 2-tub. Go up, unselect this one, so we have a nice 2-tub sink. And this is it, pretty much. We have a basic layout, file, save as. The new update to the software is freezing all the time, so make sure you save your drawings. Symphony Kitchen, 2018 estimates, ARIF, design 1. We can rename it to 181288, design 1, save. So let's look at presentation, perspective view, and what we have right now, hidden lines for easier. This is what we have, which is good, it's looking good, it's what we discussed, and again, everybody is different, every project is different, but you have to provide customer with the information, the details, so they understand. This one we solved on site, on the spot, because they had to do, they have to make sure that it's going to work out for them. So they had other ideas connecting this post to the kitchen as well, but I said, listen, at least giving you some space is better than no space and dividing it with some kind of post and walking around the post. So that's not a good idea. I mean, you're not going to get a flow in through this post, but at least you're going to have something, right? Something that you can use and walk through if required. So we have that. Now we continue with the upper cabinets, and here we have to look at some more details because I know he has a bulkhead as well. Let's see, what's the bulkhead? Double sink, she likes to go concrete cardboard, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some images from this job just to, okay, so this, next, import. Data. Let's see if we have some images here. When did I go see them? Nope, no images. So let's do a little small cabinet on top. So we go to uppers, wall 18, let's try 24, 24, 24, bam, bam. Not sure that's gonna work. Duplicate, wall corner, wall 90, right, do that, and close, duplicate, yes, right click, drag, right click, attributes, we want to line things up as much as possible, click, right click, attributes, and let's make this a 12 because there's going to be, actually let's delete this and see if we have a hood fan. So wall, bottom desk, range hood cabinet with door 30, no, range microwave cabinet, range hood cabinet, range hood 1, range hood 30-1, okay. No, we don't want to do that either. Okay, so right click, duplicate this, right click, attributes. So we're gonna raise it about 6 to 8 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's make this 18. If we click on the field, double click, it's gonna give us an elevation. So double click, then we click and drag. What do we have here? Double click. 56. Okay. 80 inches. This door is way too high over the space we see. So let's make it a 70-inch door. So now it's at least a little bit lower. So we're kind of moving in the right direction. Duplicate and paste. Oh, the reason I wanted these to go a little bit lower is because of the bulkhead that's in this location, but we can figure that out later when we have more information. Right click, attributes, and this is going to be a 33-inch cabinet. Doesn't go, why not? Attributes, let's see how wide this can be. 32. Okay, so something didn't work. Okay, so this is probably at 24. 24, drag, yeah, okay. Attributes, 33, done. Up and down, and done. Okay, so we have our basic layout, presentation, perspective. We changed the view to black and white just for easier view and understanding of the space. This is how the kitchen looks like. And yeah, so there's going to be some fillers. Now we can add items, countertops, top molding is square molding, under molding, and this is square molding as well. And StockX add. We can select delete this, select delete that, and save. Presentation, perspective. Okay. That's it. So we have our basement bar done, and we can email it to the customer and see what they say. Let's add another item. Right click, and this one we have to pick add-ons, appliances. I think it's APP cooktops, electric cooktops, 24-inch, yes, 12-inch maybe, something like that. So they have all kinds of stuff, but not what I need. Front counter, maybe this. No. Built-in cooking, 24 by 24. See, this one is way too big, so what I recommended is a small 24-inch by 16-inch double conduction oven that can be placed in here, because that's all you can pretty much do for this space. So let's figure this out like that. File, save as image, and we have design 1-1, control A, control copy, save, and we want to give them a couple of different angles. File, save as image, design 1, design 2, save. So far, and that's it. This is not for a quote, and again, just providing him a basic idea of how it's gonna look close. And now it's time to quote the job and see where it goes.